Hi, and thank you for watching. So today we are doing a dark outer corner eye look, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I start every eye makeup look, or any makeup look, with my brows. So just do your brows. Then with the MAC ProLongwear Concealer in NW20, I'm using this to prime the eyes. I applied it onto my middle fingers, but then I distribute the product with my pointer finger because there's nothing on it, so it just blends everything out. And then if I need more, I'll just redeposit some more with my middle finger. This is a really foolproof way to get not too much product on your eye. Then with the KKW Baked 2 powder and the Chanel Curve powder brush, I set it. You definitely want to set your primer so that everything is dry when you go in. So this is the Sigma E40 brush and MAC Soft Brown. This is my favorite step and the step that I use like the most time on. I like to distribute this product on the crease, and then I bring it all the way up into the transition you see here, up close to the brow actually. And then I get some more product and I build this even in the outer corner. So I do everything with this, and with your natural crease of your eye, it'll create so much depth and just make all of the makeup look really blended. This is a dual purpose step, so that's why I take a lot of time on it. I go in circular motions starting at the outer corner, and as I have less product on my brush, I bring it upward and I just create some more depth in the outer corner. I love this step. Then I'm taking the Sigma E25 brush with Anastasia Beverly Hills Warm Taupe. With this color, I'm focusing it more on the outer corner and crease area, so I'm not doing as grand gestures with the brush. I'm focusing it a lot lower than I was before, and this will create even more depth, and I'm going to go darker as I go lower to the eye. This one too, I'm putting a lot more in the crease all throughout the outer corner to the inner. I apply my eyeshadow with my eyes open so I can see what it looks like, so it looks funny in the application. Now with the Kylie Cosmetics number 16 brush, I'm taking MAC Ground Brown and doing even more precision blending. This color, I'm focusing it in the crease. I'm not going to blend this one. I just want to create depth in the crease. I love this color. These colors are more cool tone, which I love. I just think it looks really glam. And once I'm finished building this up, I am going to take my Sigma E25 and just blend it throughout the crease so there are no harsh lines. I want everything to be seamless. I don't want you to see where one color stops and the other one starts. Now with the Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen, I'm going to do my eyeliner. And the reason that I do my liner on this step is because I want to do a black outer corner. So I just like to apply my wing, the beginning stages of it, so I know exactly where to apply the black eyeshadow. So first I fill in my lash line up top, and then I create that wing. This is just how I do my eyeliner. You can do it however you're used to. But with the smaller felt part of this brush, it's a dual-ended brush. This is how I map out the wing. So I do a very thick wing on the daily, and this is just how I'm used to it. I do my eyelid, and then I connect the top of the wing down to it. So where the wing connects to the eye, there's like a little bit of a dip, and that's where I like to apply the black shadow. If I do the shadow before I do my eyeliner, it's okay, but I really want it to be on my like fake outer corner, I guess, because on my real eye shape, my outer corner is getting covered with this very thick wing. So I like to map it out before I apply the Carbon. Here is MAC Carbon with the Morphe E36 brush, and I just place this right on that outer corner. I do not want to blend this color on throughout the crease. You can if you like, but I love the look of a black outer corner. So I'm just applying this with a pretty heavy hand actually. I want it to be quite black, but just in that outer corner. Then, ever so slightly, I'm taking the Sigma E25 brush and just really lightly blending the seams. I just want it to be seamless, but still precisely in the outer corner. So I'm very, very, very lightly blending. I apply more carbon just to really concentrate that black. So this is the step where I like to fill in my eyeliner. Like I said, you can do it any step you like, but for me, I like to just do the outline because if I do my eyeliner before I do the carbon, then it'll get powdery, and I really like the finish of this liner. So this is what makes most sense for me. I love how this applies, by the way. It's not too liquid, but it's not dry. This is the perfect eyeliner. It's really spendy, but I've gone through about 10 of these. I just love it. You see how that black shadows on the fake outer corner? Just checking it out. And now I'm applying my lashes. These are the Lilly Lashes Faux Mink Mykonos. I have a couple pairs of the real Mink, but they're just more fluffy and the fibers are not as thick as Faux Mink. I like a really glam look. This is what I wear every single day, you guys. I just love to do the glam thing. And I teased my hair while the glue was getting tacky, so that's why I look crazy. So now I'm taking MAC Fascinating. This is a really good white pencil and it applies really creamy, which is nice because you don't have to do too much to the lower waterline. Then I do the rest of my face and then I apply Costa Riche to the lower lash line. I mess up a little bit here, but it's okay, we smoke it out. This is the MAC 219S brush and I'm using more Warm Taupe. When I blend the lower lash line, I like to look up. It just makes blending a lot easier and you access that lower lash line better. And after this step, I do the rest of my face makeup. And after I do highlight, I always like to just touch up my eyeliner one more time ever so gently. Otherwise, you'll get like that powdery look in your liner. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And it's a little chunky, but it makes your lashes look so thick. I love this mascara. And that is it. That is the last step. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.